What should I look for when choosing an Amazon PPC agency? Really look into what is the biggest pain the agency is going to solve. Reason for that is because you can ask all the questions, and I also created a specific in-depth video, like 30 minutes, where I'm going through all these questions you should be asking before hiring the right Amazon ads agency for you. What I noticed is that when it comes down to choosing an Amazon agency, first off, you would ask, okay, what are you doing and what are you not doing? Most of the time, these are unclear. And if you're not going to ask, usually what it's going to be is if they're offering you a contract, or if they're going to put what is in scope and out scope, it's going to be more clear. But what I'm seeing from my end, it's happening even when on a clear proposal and or even contract, you're writing these are in scope, these are out scope. Brand owners always are thinking that just because I hired you as an Amazon ads agency, you should be helping also with pricing, you should be helping also with inventory, you should be helping also with my images and so on and so forth. And then that's great if the ads agency are able to do it. But if not, then it's going to be constantly a back and forth, and it's going to turn into a consulting thing. So before you're hiring, just make clear, hey, I'm looking for an ad agency, I'm looking for consulting, or hey, if you're not offering consulting, why? And then what is another option that I can have in order to make sure that I get more value than that. And just keep in mind that if you're going to ask for consulting as well, probably it's going to price just a bit higher.